Let's explore the facsimile of the Bible of San Isidoro. Named for its current repository, the Bible of San Isidoro is a manuscript of the complete Christian Bible. It is the most densely illuminated Bible to survive from the first millennium, even though it has narrative scenes only for selected books of the Old Testament. A person calling himself Sanctius claims to have completed the manuscript in June 960, but he may not have worked alone. At the end of the book is a page dominated by the last letter of the Greek alphabet, Omega. There, we see Sanctius and his teacher Florentius raising goblets to toast the completion of the Bible. It is entirely possible that Florentius contributed to the writing and illumination of the manuscript. The main text is the Vulgate, the Latin version of the Bible composed by St. Jerome. There is a series of marginal glosses that provide an earlier Latin version of the text. The most elaborate are presented with geometric or architectural frames. There are also glosses in Arabic. They summarize the text or provide Arabic translations of unfamiliar words. The manuscript opens with a full-page image of Christ in majesty surrounded by the symbols of the four evangelists and an illustrated genealogy of Christ. The New Testament opens with decorated canon tables. Each page has painted architecture, and the symbols of the evangelists occupy the lunettes under the arches. Most remarkable are the narrative illustrations of the Old Testament, which are concentrated in the books of Exodus, Joshua, and Kings. The full-page miniature of the high priest Aaron in the tabernacle is the most imposing. There is also a large-scale painting of the temple. Some of the narratives are quite engaging, such as these scenes from Exodus that cascade across 3 columns. The refinement of its decoration suggests that the manuscript was destined for the library of a high-ranking individual, although we do not know for whom the Bible was made. The facsimile was published by Isidoriana Editorial in Spain in 1997.